Hello everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet a cute horse keychain, perfect for a keychain, bag charm, or a handmade gift. Don't worry if you're a beginner, just follow along slowly and you'll be able to finish it. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. For this project, you'll need 2.5 millimeters yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. Watch until the end to support us and stay motivated to create more videos. Now, let's start with round 1. For round 1, chain 5. Skip the first chain, then make 4 single crochets. Take your time and keep your chains relaxed for a clean edge. Next, round 2. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet, then make an increase followed by 2 single crochets. Great job so far. Remember to count your stitches to keep everything even. For round 3, chain 1 and crochet 5 single crochets. Nice and steady, repeating simple rounds helps build confidence. Now round 5, chain 1, crochet 4 single crochets, make an increase, then chain 6, attach to the other crocheted piece, make an increase, and then crochet 4 single crochets. Take it slow here, this step connects the 2 pieces together. Moving on to round 6. Chain 1 and crochet 18 single crochets around. Well done, the horse body is starting to take shape. Now, round 12. Chain 1, crochet 16 single crochets, then make 1 decrease. This helps shape the body, so don't rush the decrease. For round 13, chain 1, make 1 decrease, crochet 14 single crochets, then make 1 increase. Nice work, you're balancing the shape perfectly. Round 14, chain 1, make an increase, crochet 6 single crochets, then make 1 decrease. The horse shape is getting cuter with every round. Next, round 15, chain 1, make 1 decrease, crochet 6 single crochets, then make 1 increase. Stay focused and keep counting your stitches. For round 16, chain 5, crochet 5 single crochets, make 1 increase, crochet 5 single crochets, then make 1 decrease. Take your time, this round adds important detail. Round 17. Chain 1, make 1 decrease, crochet 5 single crochets, make 1 increase, then crochet 5 single crochets. You're almost there. Keep going. For round 18, chain 1, crochet 5 single crochets, make 1 increase, crochet 5 single crochets, then make 1 decrease. The shape looks beautiful. You're doing a wonderful job. Round 19. Chain 1, make 1 decrease, crochet 5 single crochets, make 1 increase, then crochet 5 single crochets. Stay patient. Neat stitches make all the difference. Now round 20. Chain 1, crochet 6 single crochets, make 1 increase, crochet 4 single crochets, then make 1 decrease. Adjust your tension if needed to keep the stitches even. For round 21, chain 1, make 1 decrease, crochet 4 single crochets, then make 1 decrease. We're getting close to finishing this part. Round 22. Chain 1, make 1 decrease, crochet 2 single crochets, then make 1 decrease. Slow down and focus, small rounds need extra care. Finally, round 23, chain 1 and make 2 decreases. Amazing job. You've completed the horse body. Now, join the 2 crocheted pieces together using single crochet at the corners. Make increases to create a smooth and rounded shape. After that, slip stitch all around the horse to finish the edging neatly. This step gives your project a clean and professional look. Now let's crochet the horse saddle. For saddle round 1, chain 10, skip 1 chain, make 8 single crochets, turn your work, crochet 7 single crochets, make an increase, and finish with a slip stitch. Take your time, small details make the saddle look nice and flat. For round 2, chain 1, make an increase, crochet 7 half double crochets, make 3 increases, crochet 7 half double crochets, then make 2 increases and slip stitch to finish. Count your stitches carefully here to keep the shape balanced. For round 3, simply slip stitch all around to complete the saddle, and just like that, the saddle is done. And that's it. Your cute horse keychain is now complete. I'm so proud of you for finishing this project. Handmade creations are always special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Watching the video until the end truly helps motivate us to create more crochet tutorials for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and happy crocheting!